Hi, I hope you're having a great day. In this video, we're going to go over our payroll review information task. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and click Get for Free. Once you have done that, you're going to go into your firm templates, tasks, and you're going to go ahead and open that task. Here you can see that we have our template name. It is assigned to our payroll specialist role. It starts today and is due in 3 days. And then we have a subtask that says receive client information. You're going to go ahead and click Save and Exit. Normally, this is going to be part of your payroll pipeline, but for today, we're going to assign it as a one-off task so you can see what it looks like once it's been assigned. So you go ahead and click New, Task. I'm going to assign it to my test account. I'm going to select the correct template that I want to look at. And here again, you can see that it is assigned to the payroll specialist role, the name of the task, then it starts today and is due in 3 days. And then we have our subtask down at the bottom. We're going to go ahead and click Create, and this is going to add it to our active tasks for that client, which you can see here. And then you can go ahead and select payroll or select the task name, which is payroll review information. And this is what it's going to look like once the task has been assigned. After you've reviewed client information that has been uploaded, you can go ahead and mark off that subtask. And then once you've completed everything, you've got all the information that you need, you can go ahead and mark off this task by hitting status and then marking completed. And once you click save, it will remove this task from the active tasks. And depending on how your pipeline is set up, it will move your pipeline to the next stage. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.